G'day, Baz here from By Baz, and we're just taking the next step in the MKII Colonial Viper, which is building the tail fin. And here we go. It's all made out of plywood, any old scrap I could find, blocks of timber from my pergola that I've been ripping down around the Viper as I build it. And it's coming along all right. So I'm just waiting for the paint to dry at the moment, and the next stage will be to take it out to the Viper and fit it up on top, and that'll hold the tarp up as well, so make it a little bit more weatherproof, as the water will run off the tarp a bit better than it does right now. Stay tuned. Cheers.